Hi dear ones, and welcome to this meditation video. My name is Adam and my job is to help you awaken. And boy do I love my job. And a big part of awakening is learning how to access and communicate with those that have left this physical world, as well as our guides and our angels. So in this meditation I'm going to show you a process that I actually developed myself and I started to teach at my events and my seminars. And really, the truth is that we all exist in this field of spirit, this field of consciousness, or the quantum fields where all possibilities already exist. When we do mediumship and we step into the power, we step into these fields. Our loved ones and our guides on the other side exist within these fields of consciousness. So in this meditation, I'm going to show you a way that you can link in with different spirits that are working with you. And they are here to show you your direction, to help you in your physical life as well as on your spiritual journey. And we have our spirit guides, our loved ones on the other side, to point us in the direction of truth. They won't give you the answers, but they'll point you in the direction to find your own answers. And that's where growth comes. That's where awakening comes. That's where self-discovery comes. So I invite you to share this journey with me. And also, if you like this, please give this a thumbs up to share it with more people. And please consider subscribing to this channel if you enjoy content like this. And if you hit the little bell icon, YouTube will notify you every time I release new videos or I do free live events. Right now, let's get right into this video. Enjoy! Find a nice comfortable position, preferably sitting up, with either your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged. And start to relax and tune into your breathing. Feeling the love and the light of the universe all around you. And as you inhale, you draw light and energy from all around you deep into your heart, feeling the light expanding and growing through your body and aura. And as you exhale, release any tensions, stresses, or worries, or negativity. And continue taking some longer, deep breaths from your diaphragm, inhaling love and light and joy, and exhaling and releasing any emotions and feelings you no longer want or need as you become more and more relaxed. Feeling your shoulders relaxed and letting go. Feeling your chin and cheeks relaxing and letting all tension go from that part of your body. Feeling your temples and foreheads relaxing and letting go. And feeling your scalp relaxing and letting go. And imagine a wave of relaxation starts from the top of your head, works down the back of your head and your face and neck and shoulders, relaxing and clearing as it goes downwards into your arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, and hands, relaxing, and down through your chest and back, through your solar plexus, rib cage, stomach, and lower back, relaxing, down through your hips, through your legs, knees, shins and calves, ankles and feet, relaxing, and down into the earth. And allow another wave of relaxation to start from the top of your head, work down through your body, and down into the earth. Feeling that you are getting more relaxed, more at ease, more comfortable, yet remaining awake and alert And you will remember everything that happens in this process as you allow yet another wave of relaxation to activate the top of your head, relaxing down through your shoulders, your torso, your arms, your hips and legs, down into the earth. Feeling very relaxed, very joyful, very much at peace. Imagining that you are somewhere in a beautiful forest. Imagine that you are standing in this forest with your feet firmly on the ground. And imagine that you are becoming a tree with roots extending deep down from the soles of your feet or the base of your spine, deep into the earth, into the rich soils of Mother Earth. Feeling your body, the trunk of your tree, standing tall with roots very deep. Perhaps you are aware of what kind of tree you are. And as you inhale, draw nourishment, life, and energy through your roots from the earth into your body. And then as you exhale, imagine the energy coming up through the top of your head and forming branches above you. Tall, thick, healthy branches with leaves and maybe fruit or flowers. Feeling these branches extending and growing higher and higher, with roots firmly in the earth, and the branches extending out past the atmosphere into a world of light, a world of love, a world of spirit. And become aware of each of your many branches individually, and become aware of one branch in particular, and send that branch higher and higher into this world of spirit until it connects with one of the many energies, one of the many spirits that exist within this realm of light and love. And as soon as you make that connection, you know you have just connected with somebody dear to you that has crossed over and that dwells in this beautiful world of spirit. And as your branch connects, you start to become one, you start to become connected, and you know this being's energy. You know who he or she is, what their essence is, what their life was and is, and what their message is. Engage how you feel emotionally and physically as you make contact with this being, and maybe what colors or what sounds or what shapes form in your mind, or whether your body feels warm or cool in this presence. And breathe and stay relaxed, and ask the spirit what message they have, and trust everything that you get and anything you get, whether it's words or thoughts or images or symbols or memories or songs or a feeling. Trust in the message. And as that's happening, become aware of another branch and send that branch high and far in another direction in this world of spirit and light, where you sense there are many beings, until this branch naturally becomes attracted to one being of light, one spirit in particular, who is another loved one, another person you or somebody you know may have loved and lost to the spirit world. But they are not lost, for you are connecting with them now. And as you make this connection, as your branch touches this energy, this light, this spirit, you become one with this being. Engage what you feel emotionally and physically. What colors, what sounds, what feelings come to you. And as you make this connection, ask for a message or messages and trust what you get. And then send another branch to another being of light and sense what you feel, and perhaps you know who you're with. And then maybe send another branch even higher in this realm till you come into the realm of your spirit guides and ascended masters. And allow this branch to make contact with another being of light, another sphere of energy and light. And as soon as your branch touches this energy, you can feel and know who you're with. You may or may not know their names or what type of guide you are, but you can feel in your heart this connection. And it is loving, it is strong, it is powerful. Engage how you feel as you come in contact with this magnificent energy. And what colors or sounds comes to you, what feelings, and ask for messages and trust everything you get. Whether you get words or memories or images or symbols or just a feeling of knowing, these are your messages and your guides. And feel free to work with your other branches and make connection with other spirits. And get a sense of who they are and why they are with you. And at this time, we are going to start to come out of this process and give thanks to your loved ones and guides, and be open to any parting messages as you start to return to your physical body, in your physical home or space, feeling your roots still deep in the earth, thanking your guides and helpers as you slowly start to come out of this process, and wiggle your toes and fingers, deepen your breath, and when you are ready, open your eyes.